Yvette Suarez is a pediatric resident and a new mom. As a physician in training, she typically spends a staggering 100 to 120 hours a week at work. If any mother could use lack of time as an excuse for giving up breastfeeding, Yvette could, but she says giving it up was never an option.
You know, knowing what I know her immune system really doesn't pick up at least to 3 to 6 months, and that's what I can give to her and to make sure that she's safe, especially when I need to be at work.
After giving birth, Yvette stayed home with daughter Alyssa for 6 weeks. She could have taken more time, but felt she needed to stay on track with her residency.
It's kind of important to go back to work and try to transition between being a mother and working. So I think 6 weeks was okay. It's always nice to have more time, but it worked out fine.
Yvette's husband, Anil, is an emergency room physician, so his schedule is equally hectic. Still, he plays a critical role in helping mom manage her breastfeeding.
We seem to play a lot of tag, and obviously I couldn't have done this without his support. And he comes home and he helps me set everything up and helps get the bottle ready and helps wash my pumping equipment, and he's really been ideal. And when I'm on call, he's the one that's daddy overnight and needs to feed her.
Breast pumps are reliable machines with high-quality plastic parts that can be easily detached and washed.
Breastfeeding father has a very important role to play as well. He may not be the one that's directly feeding the baby, but he's supporting the mom. He can do lots of other things with the baby to give mom a little break.
Oh boy, oh boy.
But dad's attitude is probably the most key thing that he brings to the whole scenario, is being supportive and recognizing that this is his baby and he wants his baby to be as healthy as possible.
Come in.
Today, in fact, on one of his rare days off, Anil is able to bring Alyssa in to see mom at work. So instead of using a breast pump during her break, Yvette can breastfeed Alyssa directly.
I don't get that joy very frequently, but when she comes in, she definitely lights up my day. And being able to come in and even feed her or play with her makes a difference.
Many moms worry that bringing breastfeeding or breast pumping into the workplace
Bye, sweetie.
will open them up to uncomfortable comments or criticisms from coworkers.
Mom may have to really do a lot of education because there may not be a breastfeeding culture there, and they may not understand how important this is for the baby and how important it is to the mom as well.
Mothers who breastfeed tell us at Working Mother that they really need that relaxed sense of time that they require to be able to pump milk during the day. They need the understanding of their boss, they need the understanding of their coworkers, because really there are so many benefits when they make this part of a mom's day.
Breastfeeding has big health benefits for baby, from fewer ear infections and digestive problems now to a lower incidence of diseases like diabetes and leukemia later in life. It also offers health benefits for mom, including a reduced risk of developing certain cancers and faster weight loss while she's breastfeeding. And because both mom and baby are healthier, breastfeeding also leads to lower costs in terms of doctor's visits, prescriptions, and time lost from work. Also, because all mom needs is herself to feed her baby, there's smaller grocery bills and less environmental waste when she opts for breast milk over formula. And
Studies show that employed breastfeeding mothers are actually quite productive. They tend to work, extra hard to make sure that they're meeting the standards, that they're doing everything they need to do, so they actually are very good employees.
good employees and good moms, thanks in part to good husbands. Anil helps make breastfeeding possible for Yvette.
You're a happy breastfed baby, right? Yes, you are.
It just seems like you're always in a rush with a newborn. There's never enough time for anything. There's not even enough time for yourself. So there's times that he would even take her out for a walk and let me finally have a shower and some time to relax. And so, husbands take a large part, and I think they really should be part of this. I don't think it takes away from a father that a mother breastfeeds her child.